Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you a tutorial on how to set speed dial list on your phone, especially Android phone. So the first thing that you need to do is click on the setting menu on your phone and then tap on the SIM card and mobile data option. Scroll down until you find the call settings menu. Click on that and then here you can see at the first menu there is speed dial. Click on that, and here as you can see I haven't set the speed dial on my phone. To add it, just click on the plus icon and then choose a contact that you want to add into the speed dial. For example, this one, and then this one. Okay, so just like that, go back to the call setting menu, and just like that your speed dial list has been added. And if you want to add more, just follow the same steps. Okay, so that's it for me. If you like the video, don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and also subscribe. See you all on the next video. Bye bye.